Designing slope stability in earthquake-prone areas. Welcome back to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where we uncover the science and engineering behind the world's strongest structures. Today, we're going underground into the world of slope stability, a crucial topic in geotechnical engineering, especially in regions where earthquakes are frequent. Landslides triggered by seismic activity can destroy roads, buildings, and entire communities. But through smart engineering, slopes can be stabilized to withstand even powerful earthquakes. Let's explore how engineers design for slope stability in earthquake-prone areas. 1. What is slope stability? Slope stability refers to the ability of soil or rock slopes to resist movement. When the driving forces like gravity, rainfall, or seismic shaking become greater than the resisting forces, the slope fails, leading to landslides or collapses. In earthquake-prone areas, the problem becomes even more critical because seismic vibrations temporarily reduce the soil strength and increase pore water pressure, making slopes more likely to slide. 2. The impact of earthquakes on slopes. During an earthquake, the shaking motion produces cyclic loading, repeated stress changes in the ground. This causes loss of cohesion in weak soils, especially clay or loose sandy soils. Increased pore water pressure, which reduces effective stress and makes soil behave almost like a fluid, a condition called liquefaction. Dynamic forces that push slopes beyond their equilibrium point. Famous examples include the 1964 Alaska earthquake and the 1999 Taiwan Chichi earthquake, where thousands of landslides were triggered by seismic shaking. 3. Factors affecting slope stability in seismic zones. Engineers consider several factors while analyzing slope stability under earthquake loading. Slope geometry. Steeper slopes are more prone to failure. Soil and rock properties. Strength, cohesion, and friction angle determine stability. Water content. Saturated soils have lower strength and higher pore pressure. Seismic acceleration. The stronger the ground shaking, the higher the risk of failure. Ground conditions, weathered or fractured rock masses, are weaker. 4. Analyzing slope stability under earthquake conditions. To predict slope performance during earthquakes, engineers use both static and dynamic analysis. Static analysis assumes steady forces like gravity and water pressure, while dynamic analysis adds the transient forces from earthquakes. The most common methods include pseudostatic analysis, a simplified approach where seismic forces are represented as horizontal acceleration, kh, applied to the slope. This method estimates the factor of safety, the ratio of resisting to driving forces. Newmark sliding block method, used for estimating permanent displacement of slopes during earthquakes by modeling the slope as a rigid block on an inclined plane. Finite element analysis, FEA advanced computer modeling, that simulates real soil behavior and dynamic stresses during seismic shaking. 5. Design techniques for slope stability. Once the potential for failure is identified, engineers apply various design techniques to improve stability. A. Geometric modifications. Flattening the slope angle reduces the driving force acting on the soil mass. Benching or terracing divides a steep slope into smaller steps, reducing load and surface runoff. B. Drainage control. Surface drains and subdrains help remove excess water, reducing pore pressure and preventing softening of soils. Horizontal drains in the slope body are often used in saturated slopes. C. Reinforcement techniques. Retaining walls and reinforced earth structures provide external support. Soil nailing. Steel bars are drilled and grouted into the slope to improve shear resistance. Geotextiles and geogrids. Synthetic materials used to strengthen weak soils. Rock bolts and anchors. Common in rocky slopes to hold fractured blocks together. D. Ground improvement methods. Compaction and densification. Increase soil strength. Grouting. Inject cement or chemicals to bind soil particles. Stone columns or vibra replacement. Replace weak soil with stronger granular material. 6. Designing with seismic considerations. In earthquake-prone areas, slope design must incorporate the peak ground acceleration, PGA, from seismic hazard maps. Engineers apply a seismic coefficient, often between 0.1 and 0.3 times gravity, G, to simulate earthquake forces. They also ensure the factor of safety FOS under static conditions is above 1.5. Under seismic loading, it remains above 1.1. Displacement within acceptable limits based on structure type, smaller for roads, larger for natural slopes. Additionally, engineers design retaining systems and foundations to absorb or redirect earthquake energy safely. 7. Case study: the 2011 Tohoku earthquake, Japan. One of the world's most devastating earthquakes, the 2011 Tohoku earthquake, triggered over 1,000 landslides. Japan's engineers analyzed slope failures and reinforced vulnerable slopes with soil nails, geogrids, and drainage networks. The result? In subsequent earthquakes, similar slopes remain stable, proving that smart engineering saves lives. 8. Monitoring and maintenance. Design doesn't end with construction. Engineers continuously monitor slopes using inclinometers to detect ground movement, piezometers to measure pore water pressure, remote sensing and drones for early landslide detection. Regular maintenance like vegetation control, drainage cleaning, and wall inspections keep slopes stable long-term. 9. Sustainable slope design. Modern slope stabilization also embraces eco-engineering, using vegetation and natural materials for reinforcement. Deep-rooted plants increase soil cohesion, while surface vegetation reduces erosion. This approach blends environmental protection with engineering safety, especially along highways and railways. Conclusion: designing slope stability in earthquake-prone areas is a blend of geotechnical science, seismic analysis, and environmental awareness. By understanding soil behavior, applying seismic design principles, and integrating modern reinforcement techniques, engineers can prevent catastrophic landslides and protect infrastructure and lives. Next time you drive through a mountain pass or see a retaining wall on a hillside, remember, the stability of that slope isn't luck. It's the result of careful design, scientific analysis, and engineering excellence. This is Blueprint to Reality, where we turn the unseen world beneath our feet into engineering you can trust.